I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time.
Hi my loves, welcome back to another vlog. I know I haven't said a word since I started this vlog. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, thank you for joining this family, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. For my last vlog, I was in school and I came home for the election break, just a 3 weeks break. I started vlogging last week and I lost some of the clips, so a whole vlog is gone. This is the second week of the break. By next week the break should be over and I should be back to school. I am making a cargo pants tutorial. I think the tutorial would go up before this vlog. I'm not sure how it's going to happen, and I don't think there'll be another vlog before I go back to school. I just thought it'd be nice to talk to you all a little. Recently I've been having a hard time sleeping at night. It's just so difficult. I don't know why. I don't feel sleepy, I'm not restless, but I'm just there. So I can't sleep during the daytime because of heat, and then I can't sleep in the night because I don't know why. I slept till evening yesterday. I couldn't sleep at night again, so I had to just stock up on my books, and that is why I'm using the whole of today to just sew up what I need to. So pretty much I have a little business. I didn't really mention what it was, but I have to take pictures of these items. These items should be on sale, so I'm going to take pictures of them and upload them up for sales today or probably tomorrow. Let me show you the cargo pants that I'm making, and let me show you the progress we've made so far. What I have left to do is the base. I have to hem the base and fix my zipper. I fixed the waistband, and that is everything for this. The tutorial, I am almost done editing as well. I just need to film the remaining part so I can add it up to the tutorial and save it up and upload to you guys.